Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing these Amerock cabinet knobs. I absolutely love these. I have them in champagne gold. I fell in love with these when I redid my kitchen, and I just think that the design is beautiful, classic, elegant, the color I love, really easy to install. I just made a template of the rectangle, found the center, drilled the hole, and put them in. The hardware that it came with, let me see if I can bring this around and show you. The hardware came, and I just, when I drilled the hole, I used the hardware that came with it. It was really easy. The only trouble I had was some of them had like maybe a little mark on them. And so if I needed 10, I would buy 20. And then I was able to get them without imperfections or, nothing that was gonna bother me. So it did take a little bit of that, but I really love these knobs.